Welcome to Crypto Gems. In today's video, we take a closer look at the FEG token, study what it is all about and how to buy it and all that technical analysis and fun stuff. So let's get into it. Please check the link in the description box for details about the meme coin and how it works.
I'm not a financial advisor. This video is for informational purposes only. So this is the listing of FEG token on CoinGecko, and as of this date, the price of this currency is 0.000000007822. And over the last 30 days, it has decreased by 58.7%, and over the 24-hour period, it has increased by 11.5%. And this is the total market cap that we currently have. The trading volume is approximately $3 million. And the all-time high that has been seen is 0.000000441111. And the all-time low that has been observed was something like this. So it's like multiple zeros and 8 towards the end. And here we get a quick idea about how this coin is performing over the span of 24 hours. So let's check it out over the span of max. So since the time it was launched. So as you can see that it did not show any major movements up until this point where it did like a spike here, and it was on 12th of May, and after that it started falling, and then there was another little spike here, and then it started falling again. So this is a good way just to get an idea about how this coin is really performing at the moment. So FEG token is redesigning the way decentralized finance or DeFi is structured. FEG token is focused on reshaping and evolving how DeFi works completely while delivering the most robust ecosystem ever designed for DeFi's much needed advancement. You can click over here to get access to all these exchanges and get a good idea about how the coin is performing and where it has been listed so far. So as per the website, pairs can choose a staking pool that allows your token holders to stake and earn FBNB or Ethereum or any base FWrap directly, or you can choose to bypass it and earn 0.2% of all sales directly into a team wallet for marketing, charity, and project developments. Smart Swap technology allows users to standard swap or smart swap. Smart Swap is designed for swing traders and offers up to 50% plus less gas and saves transaction fee on frictionless token while internally swapping inside the swap contracts. Internal liquidity locking features are built to streamline the process tremendously. So you can also get FEG Track where you can track your rewards. You can get it on Google Play or you can download it on the App Store. So FEG token is a hyper-deflationary DeFi token built to succeed. The main idea behind FEG token is to provide a decentralized transaction network which operates on the Ethereum blockchain and the Binance Smart Chain. The path forward for FEG token is determined by market fluctuations, but the model it runs on pegs FEG token to succeed. FEG token is a hyper-deflationary token with a maximum circulating supply of 100 quadrillion. On each transaction, a tax of 1% will be distributed to holders and further 1% will be burned, hence incentivizing holders to hold and decreasing the circulating supply over time. As the circulating supply decreases, the scarcity of the token increases. This inversely proportional relationship constitutes a supply and demand model. Furthermore, there is no limit as to how many tokens can be burned. Without a burning limit, you know what happens next. And here is a quick look at the FEG ecosystem. So FEG token is fully decentralized. There is no one main owner of the token. All decisions are made in the community's favor. Each transaction triggers a burn rate of 1%, which decreases the circulating supply of FEG over time. FEG token rewards its holders within a 1% tax on each transaction to punish weak hands. FEG token's vision is to advance further into cryptocurrency and DeFi spaces by releasing innovative product which will ensure the sustainability of the token. And here are the social platforms of this token that you can check out just to get an idea. So let's go to the Twitter page of this platform. So from the Twitter page, what I can see is that it has 169.2k followers, which is a positive sign, which means that this coin is growing in popularity. And with the cryptocurrencies, and especially like meme cryptocurrencies, it's almost like the more hype there is in the market, the more price will go up. So having a good following and posting consistently just make sure that this project is more legitimate, it has a fan following, and that would affect its price in future.
Don't forget to check the link in the description box below to find more details about this coin.
So overall, I would like to say that FEG token offers an enticing economic model. The token is deflationary with no maximum amounts of FEG token that can be burned. However, it's not clear what benefits FEG token can provide that other DeFi protocols like Uniswap, 1inch, and PancakeSwap already have. And the token's price is purely based on speculation. So fundamentally, FEG token is not really like a good investment option. But again, I do feel that it's more like taking a risk. And if you've seen like with a lot of like these meme cryptocurrencies and stuff like that, it usually depends on the hype that there is in the market. So of course, as an investment option, we do not have like a lot of information about it to predict the future. But if you are somebody who likes to take risk from time to time, it would be wise to hold some of them. It again depends on your financial situation, because this is not a financial advice, but it would be wise to hold some of them and just wait, because the price might increase in the future. But if you're looking this as an investment opportunities, there are other cryptocurrencies like we have Ethereum, XRP, and all of these coins that are more stable, that have a lot of history, that we can actually use to predict the future.
So thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed that video and found it helpful. Again, don't forget to check out the link in the description box below to find more information. Thank you so much for watching, and I shall see you guys in my next one. Bye.